Start from front, for example. Front. E line, yes, E is front. First leg of dart, you pin second leg of dart, vanishing point. You pierce, you see what I do? I pierce, because when I pierce, you can, let me show you. When I pierce, you can find. It will be your guideline. Okay, one leg, the second dart, vanishing point, another leg, and F. Okay. This is two, whereas we have quarter outside, will be two pierce, two times you pierce, and D line, H line, B line, and D, we don't have name, but hip line, okay? After that, when you pierce, just remove, and I show what you will do next, remove your draft. And I want you guys, you make this block from draft, not from patent. Why? Because it's first step, it's original, you don't have mistake. I believe you don't have mistake. So, just I'll show you what happens here under and how you will create block. You see, we have like holes, yeah? We should connect this hole. Will be yours center front. Just be sure, when you trace, be sure you trace right waistline and right darts. Front shorter darts, back longer darts. Just in case I say to you this. Okay. Just in line. So one dart, another dart. Now you use rule. Remember 8-inch for hip. Just I'm sorry, can you 8. Just go through. Move another 8. Just find 8 number. Place from hip line. Just try again. This is hip line. And here just from 11 to 19. Just place and drawing line. This is healthy. You will have less mistakes. So this is yours block. Block. What we should have? Grain line, yeah? Line up on the center. This is center front. Center front. Line up a ruler on the center front. Just drawing grain line. A row should be both sides. Okay, you will write here it's front, skirt, block, size 6. No cut, we can write 2, which is depend what you have, fold, not fold line. So, also, we should have half-inch up from vanishing point. You should have here drill holes in red color. And you see, guys, we don't need to add seam allowance, no seam allowance here. Notches. This is will be 2 notches. You will use notcher later. Drawing is not enough. I want to use notcher. And you just notch.
Why do you draw the red circles there?
Here drill holes will be like this. I want to have this and this both. Just don't harm yourself. You pierce. It's very good for trace. Okay. After that you just cut out. Be accurate, just not on the hand, just more safer than on the table you cut. Try to cut nicely. Should be like one line. Exactly on this line. Don't cut inside, outside. Should be on line. Just make good job now, because later you will use this block for all your design. When you cut out, notcher. That's what you do. Here it's fine, it's good to have them because it's only for trace. Of course, for fold line, if it's fold line, I don't write fold line because we don't know what will be. Punch hole and give me on the hook for braiding. Okay, just do it. Let it show for your back. You can take a picture.
Yeah.
Because back absolutely same. You trace, but will be full back. You okay?
I don't have the paper.